हमारे ज़माने में there's no better start to a story of exaggerated majbooris. When I start my bayan, I know you guys will call it gyaan, while I speak and profess my glories, and later go on to caution by presenting carefully balanced equations of letting you in on the secret to success, of avoiding financial tensions, or what you call paper stress. In the middle of my stories, don't think I fail to notice your eyes filled with frustration, looking at your phone, hoping for a helpful notification. Yeah, we know you need an excuse to avoid this discussion. Yeah, we know, and it's nothing new. So, let's talk about you. Let's talk तुम्हारे ज़माने में. About the future you see of driverless cars and nuclear frisbees, of see-through phones and spidery drones, of startups and cancer-curing ketchups, of environment-friendly pants and genetically modified ants, of hover bikes and virtual hikes, of things that we did differently. But there's still something we share, something that will help you prepare to make your dreams come true while securing your family and clan. Wonder what it is? Just a good financial plan. I know, you couldn't care less, but that's the very point I want to address. That when you think of relaxing, you think of sunbathing on Mars and going on road trips in flying cars. Almost the same things I want in my memoir. Maybe not a futuristic ride, but just to enjoy the lazy tide while sipping on a lemonade. Squeezed without a robot's aid. Mind you, the future can have everything you see, so that you can live carefree, including helpful droids and AI rock bands. But to enter this dreamland, all you need is the master key, i.e., a good financial plan.